We will be using the displayed flow to break down several advanced ideas used in the flow to help other bot builders build more and build more efficiently. To truly grasp these concepts, we first need to discuss what the bot's overall use is. This is the main flow of the Algebra Study Buddy app I uploaded. The process is broken into 4 smaller and easier to digest workflows. The first is an invite for the user to ask a question. The next workflow is find an answer. Next, if the user selects to go again, ask a question, repeat node is entered. If not, the workflow ends. There is also an intent for the bot to quiz the user. In this tutorial, we will discuss the ask a question node in great detail. So if you are ready, let's dive right in. To start with, I want to mention that node standard 3 was my initial attempt at making the bot present a separate question if the user selected yes to wanting to ask another question. This was implemented before the ask a question RPT workflow and is no longer used but has not been removed. The next node in the workflow is a text box that asks the user to input their query. Some people prefer using a raw input, and there is nothing wrong with doing that. I prefer the wait for user input card. Now that we have reached the wait for user input card, I want to slow down and break this node down in better detail. Starting with the wait for user input card, notice the message on the right side. Using this card means the input is not validated nor manipulated and can be printed with a text card with a message of event.preview. The next card is an execute code card. I created the variable user.quest to store the user's question, so I assigned it the value of event.preview. Keep this variable in mind as it is used if the answer is not found in the knowledge base. This is also the variable that will be checked with query the knowledge base card, but that is another workflow. The next card is an intent card. This card determines if the user is requesting to be quizzed by the bot. You can see in the intent card I added multiple mentions of a quiz, and different capital and lowercase combinations as well to ensure the bot understood the user is asking to be quizzed. If the user input quiz, then they will go down the exit quiz path. Otherwise, the user is sent down the questions and answers path. That pretty well summarizes the ask a question workflow. We will get the next video created very soon for get an answer workflow. Thank you for watching and happy bot building.